Civil engineering is no longer just about brick and mortar, it's about innovation, technology, and smart solutions. In today's video, we'll explore the new technologies that are revolutionizing the field of civil engineering, transforming the way we design, build, and maintain our infrastructure. From futuristic 3D printing to drones surveying construction sites, these technologies are changing the game. Let's dive into the future of civil engineering. 3D printing in construction. Let's start with one of the most exciting developments, 3D printing in construction. Also known as additive manufacturing, 3D printing allows engineers to create building components layer by layer using a variety of materials, including concrete, plastic, and even metal. This technology is enabling rapid prototyping, reducing material waste, and cutting down construction time. In some cases, 3D printers have even been used to print entire homes. Not only does this offer a cost-effective solution, but it also allows for highly customized designs, faster construction, and minimal environmental impact. Drones in construction and surveying. Next up, drones. Drones are increasingly being used in civil engineering to survey sites, monitor construction progress, and ensure safety. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, drones can capture detailed aerial views of construction sites, which helps engineers assess the area more accurately and make real-time decisions. Drones are also used to inspect hard-to-reach areas like tall buildings, bridges, and dams, reducing the need for scaffolding and increasing safety. With lidar technology, light detection and ranging, drones can create precise 3D models of construction sites and even detect any potential issues before they arise. Smart materials and structural innovations. Now, let's talk about smart materials. These materials have the ability to change properties in response to environmental changes, such as temperature or pressure. One example is self-healing concrete. This type of concrete contains special bacteria that can repair cracks on their own, which extends the lifespan of structures and reduces maintenance costs. Another innovation is piezoelectric materials, which can generate electricity from pressure or vibrations, such as from traffic on a road. These materials have the potential to power streetlights or sensors embedded in infrastructure, creating smarter, more energy-efficient cities. BIM Building Information Modeling. Building Information Modeling (BIM) is another groundbreaking technology in civil engineering. BIM allows engineers, architects, and contractors to collaborate more effectively by creating a detailed 3D digital model of a building before construction even begins. These models include not only the physical design but also data about materials, costs, and timelines. With BIM, construction projects are more accurate, errors are minimized, and communication between teams is streamlined. It also helps in managing facility maintenance long after the building is completed, ensuring that operations are efficient and cost-effective. AI and machine learning in civil engineering. Artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning are also playing a crucial role in transforming civil engineering. These technologies are helping engineers analyze massive amounts of data to make better decisions and predict potential risks. AI can optimize construction schedules, detect structural issues, and even predict material degradation. Machine learning is being used to create predictive models for maintenance, helping engineers anticipate problems before they occur. With AI, construction projects are becoming more efficient, safe, and cost-effective, paving the way for smarter cities and infrastructure. Robotics in construction. Finally, let's take a look at robotics in construction. Robots are becoming an integral part of modern construction sites, assisting with tasks like bricklaying, concrete pouring, and welding. One example is the exoskeleton, which helps workers lift heavy objects with ease, reducing fatigue and improving safety. Another is robotic arms used to automate repetitive tasks, increasing precision and speed. Robotics not only enhances efficiency but also improves safety by performing dangerous tasks that would otherwise put workers at risk. The future of civil engineering is bright, thanks to these cutting-edge technologies. From 3D printing and drones to smart materials and robotics, these innovations are making construction faster, safer, and more sustainable. If you're excited about these advancements, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Which technology are you most excited to see in action? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.